Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Today is a Monday. Decided to make it a productive day. Looks like it's about to rain, hopefully not. I am going to purchase some items for the house. Whenever I need stuff for the house, I usually go to Burlington, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. I am making my pick list today. Cook. So whenever you guys subscribe, so you guys do encourage me to do more fun. I'm heading to the mall. I'll see what I can find, but I already have a list of things that I need, and I pray that I do find it. They are emergency things that I need right now. I'll take you guys with me, okay? Now we are finally going home after I didn't get all the things that I needed, and yeah, going home and then going to cook. I am still cooking at this time. We do have the rice here. Today is Friday. I am about to prep for Bible study, watch night prayer, preparing outfit the baby for me. Daddy already got his outfit. It is 4:47. Baby's taking a nap. I am preparing dinner at the same time. I'm getting her outfit ready for tonight, and her bag as well. Today is Saturday, and I am trying a new brand today. What happened is we purchased this hair between on Wednesday or Thursday. I'll check again, and it says that it was coming on Monday, which is next week. I wanted to do my hair. Hey. Because it says when you purchase it, it said it's gonna ship, it's shipping. When we check it, it says that at first it says that it ships in 1 day. For us, we thought, okay, it's gonna get here in 2 or 3 days. But when we purchased it, it said it's coming next week, and I really wanted to get my hair done this weekend, this Saturday. So fast forward. So I was like, okay. When my sister checked the tracking, it said it's coming next week. I said, okay, I'm not getting my hair done. And then today, early this morning, when my sister checked it again, it says it's coming, it's out for delivery. And she was like, oh my God, go and wash your hair, because we're getting your hair done today. It's like, oh my God, I am excited. Mind you, this is my first time using this hair. It's not a different style, it's just like a new hair that I am trying. And I am excited. I can wait and see how it comes out, and we'll see, guys. Yeah, so now I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to add this deep repair hair mask for curly. I've had this hair mask for quite a time, and I wanted to do my own mask. I was like, you know what, since I have it here, let me use it. So faster, yeah. So I'm gonna add my hair mask, do a little laundry, and then prep for, I'm making patties again today. Wow, patties, and then prepare everybody's outfit again for Sunday tomorrow, and then go up there. Wow, guys. So guys, 6 months ago I gave birth to my baby. 3 months after birth, I noticed that my hair was falling out. My hair was shedding, and then my edges was gone. I was like, oh my god, what is going on? I believe it's postpartum hair loss, and I was like, oh, it's happening. I was in shock. I was like, oh my god, my edges was snatched. It's just like you could see my scalp. And mind you, before that I had edges, I had folds. It was gone. I was like, do not panic, it's coming back. Do not panic, it's coming back. Because like every time like I was braiding my hair, the hair was coming to me. I was like, oh my god, no way, no. When I was so positive, I was like, okay, it's coming back, it's here, coming back, it's here. So what did I do for this, right? So I braid my hair, and I just like keep them moisturized and take my vitamin. Although my hair is still shedding, but compared to how it used to shed, it's like not the same. I have my own oil that I use, and it's my own hairspray too that I made. I use it on my hair, and then I keep my hair moisturized, and I keep the protective style too. That's what helped me. Since then, you see my edges, they are coming back. It was worse. Okay guys, it was so bad. It was bad. It's like you could see my scalp. That's how bad it is. And also, so that's what helped me. But guys, it was bad. Okay, it was bad. Vitamins. And also, I don't use combs. I do not comb my hair. I use fingers. I use my fingers to detangle my hair. Whatever I'm doing with my hair, I use my finger to detangle my hair. I don't use comb. I don't use brush to brush it out. I use my fingers. Otherwise, I take my vitamins. I use protective style. Detangle my hair. I do not wash it out. I use my fingers to detangle my hair. Okay, and keep your hair moisturized. You see that? But it's not as bad I used to be before. Look at this. Still shedding. Hair shedding. My hair. I use my own. I made my own oil. Okay, guys. I use my own product. When it comes to hair moisturizing, use my own product. I usually make my own hair mask, but today there's so much to do. I decided to go with the Creole Essence hair mask.
Hello guys, so the hair came finally. Look at the hair. Oh, oh. So wow. So this is the hair. So let me show you guys the hair. The package came. It's late and I'm still ready to get my hair done. Look, this is the hair that I'm using. I have two mats of free, but it's kind of like short. It's 16 inches, guys. It is 16 inches. This is the texture. So I'm about to get my hair done. I just washed my hair and I'm gonna get them done. Now I am excited.